folks, we're back. Check it out. You wanted some cheaper down payments? Here we go. $595 starting down payment. Easy payment terms. Guaranteed credit approval. Everyone rides here. Ford Edge, SEL, loaded up, streaming audio, auxiliary line in, Bluetooth hands-free calling, super nice body inside and out, clean, detailed, service inspected, warranty included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline, guaranteed credit approval, nice spacious 5-passenger, sitting up high, purrs like a kitten. $595 starting down payment, folks. 2 guaranteed credit approval program, 2 paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, hour of your time. Drive home today, DasCleveland.com.